welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix music failed to play tracks error on Infinix GT50 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button. After just click and hold side power button, click on restart. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, enter phone pin, you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management and click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and search music from here. Click on music, and if you want to fix this problem, click on storage and cache and clear cache music app. After clear cache music app, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so reset all settings. Click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on set system and click on reset phone. If you want to fix this problem, click on reset all settings, click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix music failed to play tracks error on Infinix GT50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.